Excel is a powerful and widely used spreadsheet software that has been popular for many years. While there are alternatives to Excel, it remains the dominant tool for spreadsheet management and analysis. That being said, there are some alternatives to Excel that may be suitable for certain use cases or preferences. Some alternatives to Excel include Google Sheets. This is a free web-based spreadsheet software offered by Google. It has similar functionalities to Excel and allows multiple users to collaborate on a document simultaneously. LibreOffice Calc. This is a free and open-source spreadsheet software that is similar to Microsoft Excel. It is compatible with most file formats and can be run on Windows, macOS, and Linux operating systems. Numbers. This is a spreadsheet software developed by Apple and is exclusively available on Mac devices. It has a sleek interface and is optimized for Apple's ecosystem. Zoho Sheet. This is another web-based spreadsheet software that offers real-time collaboration features. It also has a range of add-ons and integrations available. Airtable. This is a cloud-based database software that offers spreadsheet-like features. It is ideal for organizing and managing data and offers a variety of templates to choose from. While these alternatives may not completely replace Excel, they can be useful tools for certain use cases and preferences. Ultimately, the choice of which software to use will depend on individual needs and requirements. Please subscribe the channel.